Today's video is gonna be off the chain because we're talking about the latest and greatest technology that's taking the industry by storm. You know what I'm talking about, the all-new AutoGPT AI. I mean, it's like having your own personal AI assistant that does all the heavy lifting. Something like having a mini you that can do all the boring stuff while you kick back and relax. And let me tell you, this AutoGPT is a game changer. It's got all the moves, all the skills, and it's gonna take the industry to a whole new level. But is that it? Well, no. There's a lot more to it, and today we're gonna be looking into it. So let's get started, shall we? You see, the all-new AutoGPT is basically a Python-based experimental and open-source application that has been recently released on GitHub by the developer Significant Gravitas. But before we get to know AutoGPT, we gotta talk a bit about ChatGPT 4. Yes, let's take a moment to appreciate the impressive capabilities of GPT-4. By now, we all know that it has been termed the future of AI. With its advanced reasoning, input settings, and fine-tuned behavior, the potential applications of GPT-4 are endless. But they require really painstaking efforts to craft AI prompts and calibrate their behavior. But what if you could simply state your goals to the AI and let it do all the work for you? And that's where AutoGPT walks in. The game-changing technology was already here, but we didn't give much attention to it. Now, AutoGPT is a self-prompting AI agent that can work with minimum human interaction. This technology, which was just recently released, is already creating ripples in the realm of automation. AutoGPT has been called an early-age AGI because of its advanced capabilities and exceptional capacity for generating code. Autonomous agents have been on the air for decades, but AutoGPT is changing the game in terms of automation. So, how can AutoGPT help you? The options are truly limitless. These AI bots may run autonomously and accomplish work for you, freeing up your time to focus on more essential concerns. AutoGPTs include a wide range of functions, including the ability to set tasks and goals that may be worked on automatically until completion. They can even chain together multiple GPT-4s to collaborate on tasks, giving you the power to handle multiple projects at once. One of the coolest things about AutoGPT is that it can access the internet and read and write files, which means that it can be used for a wide range of applications. You can use it to write articles, create marketing content, and even automate your business processes. And the best part? You don't need to know any programming knowledge to get started. AutoGPT is designed to be user-friendly, which means that anyone can use it, regardless of their technical expertise. Now, if you're wondering how AutoGPT works, let me break it down for you. AutoGPT is built on top of GPT-4, which means that it has access to all the advanced capabilities of this AI model. However, instead of requiring human input to function, AutoGPT can self-prompt and generate its own output. This means that you can simply state your goals to the AI, and it will automatically generate the output you need. It's like having a personal assistant that never rests. Now, let's see. What really keeps AutoGPT different from ChatGPT? You see, AutoGPT has the capability to make autonomous decisions, something that ChatGPT lacks. Yes, AutoGPT can generate all of the prompts needed to complete a task and can self-prompt. ChatGPT, on the other hand, needs human guidance to function and complete tasks. AutoGPT is a research-in-progress AI tool that uses AI agents to take action, depending on preset rules and goals. It can handle more sophisticated jobs by pooling several APIs and collaborating with many plugins, allowing it to do multiple activities at once. On the other hand, ChatGPT is better suited for simpler conversational tasks. However, there is a catch. Because AutoGPT has a higher computational cost, it requires more powerful hardware to run effectively. So, if you plan on using AutoGPT, be prepared to invest in some high-end hardware. Both AutoGPT and ChatGPT are extremely strong technologies for task automation and natural language answer generation. These models have the potential to alter the way we work and communicate. Whether you're a programmer trying to automate your workflow or a company owner looking to establish a chatbot, it can be something like your personal coding assistant that not only helps you with tasks, but also learns and improves with time, just like a loyal assistant. Think of having an assistant that not only understands your preferences and habits, but who can also adjust to your coding style and preferences, making your coding experience more efficient and easy. That is exactly what AutoGPT does for you. This breakthrough technology debugs, develops, and self-improves its programming abilities using GPT-4 and Python scripts. This is attained by the use of a complex feedback loop that comprises planning. But on the other side, AutoGPT is not the only autonomous AI agent out there. Baby AGI is another popular autonomous AI agent that can create, prioritize, and even reprioritize tasks. These agents may be trained to perform nearly any duty, like investing in the market, coming up with a book concept, or even administering a social media account. In reality, the three most popular self-prompting basic AGI projects, according to the top trending repositories on GitHub, are Baby AGI by Yohei Nakajima, AutoGPT by Significant Gravitas, and Microsoft Jarvis. Other examples of autonomous agents include Agent GPT, God Mode, and Camel. These efforts, coupled with scaling, have the potential to take AutoGPTs to the next level and overcome present limits. That would bring literally mind-blowing features. Matter of fact, AutoGPT has received a significant milestone by becoming the second open-source AI project to receive 100,000 stars on GitHub. This shows the potential of AutoGPT and the level of interest it has generated in the community. Alright, now all of this might sound great, but does it pose any demerits? I mean, we all heard a ton of bad comments when GPT-3 and 4 came out, right? But what's AutoGPT really bringing with it? Two words: privacy and ethical issues. One of the biggest concerns is the potential job displacement that could occur as more and more tasks become automated. And let's face it, the thought of AI replacing humans can be pretty scary. Just in the US alone, there are 2.8 million customer service jobs. Imagine what happens when a huge number of them are replaced by AutoGPTs. But that's not all. There are also worries about privacy and security. Since these autonomous agents may have access to sensitive data, it raises ethical concerns about privacy, cybersecurity, and liability. That's why it's important to have an ethical framework in place to ensure that these agents operate in a transparent and accountable way. Now, I know, all of this might sound pretty scary and concerning, but you gotta understand that AutoGPTs are still in their early stages and have some limitations. The results, for example, may not be appropriate for complicated real-world business circumstances. However, they are rapidly evolving as a result of the daily improvements made by developers. The creation of intelligent autonomous agents has the potential to alter many sectors because of the numerous potential applications. But wait, there's more. As these agents become more sophisticated and reliable, they will likely become even more prevalent in our daily lives. And that's where we need to be aware of the potential privacy concerns and ethical challenges that come along with it. Now, what we gotta do is educate ourselves on the subject and stay informed. It's also important to hold developers accountable and demand transparency when it comes to the data being used and the algorithms being implemented. And lastly, we can advocate for policies and regulations that ensure the ethical use of AutoGPTs. Got it? Anyways, AutoGPT is taking over the entire tech industry, and you better hold on tight if you are in there, because it's gonna be a wild ride. I mean, we're talking about an AI system that can learn on its own, adapt to new situations, and even generate its own language. And you and I know that's some serious next level progress in AI. So, if you're ready to join the revolution and ride the wave of AutoGPT's groundbreaking technology, then buckle up and get ready to be blown away. Because with AutoGPT, the sky's the limit. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to communicate with machines just like we do with our friends. Maybe not that far. But yeah, stranger things have happened, right? So there you have it, guys. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and be a part of the future, then make sure to check out AutoGPT's new AI system. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Anyways, do drop what you think about this new tech in the comment section below. We'll meet again with another exciting episode. Until then, stay tuned.